goodness. Hello, hello. Happy Monday. Happy new month. Yes, we are entering the new month. It is November, the 11th month of the year. One more month till we leave 2020. I mean, 2020 has been an interesting year. It's been amazing for some. It's been terrible for some. But the fact that you are alive today and you have the opportunity to see a brand new day shows that you are blessed. So let's forget about all the negativity. Let's start this week, this month, with positive vibes. It's the 2nd of November. It is still a brand new month. Your name, my name is Miss Drew, your hostess with the mostest. I know you've missed me. I'm back from my 1 week sabbatical, my 1 week break, and I'm back full of energy for you guys. So here are a few things that I've got for you today. We're talking about Jasmine Djang, who's been crowned Miss Malaika 2020 winner. Of course, your girl Miss Drew was there. I'll be giving you some more juicy details of what went down. Also, Burna Boy has released a brand new song to the people or the victims that were shot during the NSARS protest. And again, one of my friends produced the song. And Sinach, Waymaker, Miracle Worker, she wins Song of the Year. Now let's kick off with Miss Malaika. The 2020 edition of the entertaining beauty pageant, Miss Malaika, has successfully come to an end. With exciting grand finale during the weekend, Jasmine Djang was crowned the winner after beating 9 other competitors. Now, all segments during the competition, she scored higher marks as against to all 9 other ladies. The 20-year-old is a business management student at the University of Professional Studies in Accra. Olga picked up first runner-up position, and second runner-up went to my girl, Franklina Shalom, who wowed the fans with her dancing. Oh my goodness, guys, I was at the event, okay? Your girl went down, I was all dressed up. I was, you know, doing red carpet interviews, speaking to the contestants backstage. They all looked so beautiful. We do have a little bit of, you know, a video of what went down. So why don't you guys check it out?
The one thing I tell them every time is that once you take up that mantle of being a queen, there are lots of young ladies that look up to you. And so you need to live a life worth emulating. So ladies, live a life worth emulating.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Wise words. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's go. The reason why we're gathered here tonight is to crown Miss Malaika Ghana 2020. Eugene.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a wonderful journey. Tonight, Phyllis is ready to pass the crown. Miss Malaika 2020, our 18th crown queen. Yes.
Oh my good, Jasmine! Oh, congratulations to her once again. Like I said, I mean, the atmosphere at that place was just crazy. You had people with banners. There were some people doing like chants. Hey, I'd never seen anything like it before. But I mean, definitely one to experience. Once again, congratulations to Jasmine and all of the contestants that took part. I mean, I know you all have your different manifestos. Don't let the fact that you don't have the crown stop you from still achieving and doing everything that you set out to do, whether it's helping, you know, people with body image, plastic, in society, whatever it is. If you set your mind to do it, please continue to do it. But Jasmine, she's going away with a car, with a trip to Dubai, and a whole load of cash. I mean, I was an ex-beauty pageant lady, you know. I did Miss Ghana 2013, Miss Ghana UK. So I know how it feels, but still, let me just, okay, it's not about me. Let's now talk about music. VGMA Artist of the Year, Kuami Eugene, is complaining that big artists do not support the young ones coming up. In a Facebook Live session with fans, Kuami Eugene said there are some artists with big following on social media, but will never share any work he does. And even the ones who do will just put it on their stories. According to the Open Gate hitmaker, this attitude towards the young artists in Ghana is killing the drive of many who try to venture into music or showbiz. Now here's some excerpts of his live session.
He managed get maybe 2 point and here followers. With 1 point and here followers. That 1 point and here followers no. So be post you. So say you too, you followers go see say, oh, maybe a Kuami releasing nyom foforo. Or oh, maybe a sister if you releasing nyom foforo. Family releasing nyom foforo. Kwesiate releasing nyom foforo. Mami, so say you followers go see. No, you don't go post. Now the end is so a good cry, no go post to no. No, they are two story. Now say the feed hot here. And you don't know better you. So say you followers go see. You go put for in story. In story. So say, oh, if by chance somebody find a way glance through in story, then you go see him. If you post your story now, then go tag you the artist. Say, oh, I post for my story. Hey, you post for your story. So that is what they go around. If they around, almost everybody get that thing. So you post for his story. Also, I mean, you don't post my own for your own page. Then you go post your own for story. So Ghana artists, everybody they post in friend for his story. That be how the thing go there.
Wow, Kuami Eugene always has a lot to say, but the big question on social media is, does Kuami Eugene actually share the works of other artists on his timeline? Well, of course, here at MX, we will be able to keep you updated and informed as we do. Your girl, Ms. Drew, if you didn't hear it from Ms. Drew, it's not true. I give you that information hot off the press. Meanwhile, social media is hailing Nigeria's superstar Davido for his kind gestures towards a couple he doesn't know. So the artist surprised a wedding here in Ghana and performed for the couple at no cost. Yes, Davido came back to Ghana after, you know, the huge malarkey that was caused the last time he was here. He came back and performed at a wedding. Now, according to reports, Davido was staying at the hotel in which the wedding and reception were taking place. So in one of the videos, he was spotted singing his new single, Femme, yes. And as guests and the new couple danced and jumped up in excitement, the bride and groom and their whole entourage were completely elated. Oh my gosh. Of course, we got the juice, so check this out. Oh my goodness. I mean, if Davido turned up at my wedding, I don't even know what I would do. I mean, we got the amazing Ziggy who said he should come to Nima and surprise them over there. That will be interesting. So now, still in Nigeria, popular Nigerian musician Burna Boy has released a new song in memory of victims shot at the Lekki in Lagos during the EndSARS protests. In the song titled 2010-20, which is the date of the incident, Burna Boy called out the Nigerian government for their roles in the unfortunate incident. He also disclosed that proceeds of the song will be used to support families of victims and people suffering affliction caused by the Lekki shooting. Tiwa Savage, in collaboration with Naira Marley, have also released a song in this regard. And I believe that this is such an amazing cause. During the whole EndSARS process, Burna Boy went to, you know, the British Nigerian embassy and was there leading the protest. And I feel like it was just such an amazing activity. And my good friend, literally, he's like a little brother to me, Gayton Ifong, helped produce this song. And I mean, shout outs to him. He's been doing amazing things. Now let's talk about the Dove Awards. For King and Country, one Artist of the Year and the just ended 51st GMA Dove Awards. The Australian brother duo, Joel and Luke Smallbone, is the first duo ever to win in the top category. The Dove Award is an annual event by the Gospel Music Association of the United States to recognize outstanding achievement in the Christian music industry. Now, if you guys, well, I don't even know if you're old enough actually, but Dove, like the Dove channel, I used to watch it when I was so young in London, and it always used to have, gospel music and sometimes Bible studies. So I'm so happy that they're actually still, moving on. That's amazing. Zach Williams, the 2018 Artist of the Year winner, won Songwriter of the Year. Kanye West, yes, he won Rap Hip Hop Record Song of the Year for Follow God. And Sinach, Waymaker, Miracle Worker, won Song of the Year 5 years after it was first recorded. You see? That shows to tell you that if God is for you, no one can be against you. Like, honestly, guys, if God has made a plan for you, don't worry, because his timing is sweet. The Lord is always on time. He is never late. So keep working on your dreams. Keep doing it, what it is that you're doing. And at the right time, you'll be recognized. Now, there were also other winners like Turin Wells. Oh, I love his music. Tasha Cobbs, Selah, Hillsong. Hillsong is always literally on repeat. Skillet and Elevation Worship. Yo, I'm so glad that they've been awarded for what they do. Being used as vessels of God. That's just amazing, man. Now, we've got some sad news. Very sad. Over the weekend, unfortunately, James Bond actor Sir Sean Connery has passed on. The Scottish actor was best known for his portrayal of James Bond, being the first to bring the role to the big screens and appearing in 7 of the spy thrillers. The 90-year-old died peacefully in his sleep, whilst in the Bahamas, having been unwell for some time. His acting career spanned 5 decades, and he won an Oscar in 1988 for his role in The Untouchables. May his soul rest in perfect peace. And our condolences are with him and his family. And we are happy that, he passed away without struggle and in the Bahamas. Moving on to our lifestyle tip of the day. Y'all know how this is my favorite part. Now, for you to be successful at work or as an entrepreneur, the key is to be resourceful. Yes. So here are a few ways to hone in your resourcefulness. Number 1, be open-minded. Move outside of your comfort zone. 2, have confidence in yourself. Self-assurance is the gateway to success. 3, think creatively, guys. Being resourceful in the workplace requires ingenuity and imagination. Find new ways to leverage on the same assets. 4, take action now. It's always better to do it now, not later. Be proactive. Never put your success on hold until the ideal resources become available. Act now, guys, and never settle for less, because tomorrow is not promised, okay? Number 5, see the glass as half full, not half empty. Even if the glass really only has a sip left in it, adopt an optimistic outlook, okay? It's always to be optimistic. What does Drew say? Positivity breeds happiness. And so when you're doing that, never, 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 ever give up. Guys, that is it for MX Breaks today. My name is Miss Drew. I am your hostess with the mostest. Shout out to Chriselle Hair and Beauty for my hair. And of course, guys, we got a new female camera lady. Her name is Aracy. So shout outs to her, to Ziggy, to Nana, to Gabby, all of you guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I'll see you same time, same place tomorrow. Bye-bye.